Hello people of the YouTube, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, subscribe to the channel. Remember to activate the notification bell. If you are already subscribed to the channel, ring that notification bell as well to be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. In today's video, I'm taking a closer look at these three headphones. These are wireless headphones. On my channel I have several videos called AliExpress haul. In those videos I'm unboxing a bunch of stuff I bought from AliExpress. So if you want to see the unboxing of these headphones, make sure to check out those videos. In this video, I'm gonna attempt to tell you what I think about the headphones. I'm gonna talk about the price as well, and I'm also gonna talk about the build quality. Let's start with the price. The headphones I'm touching right now, they were the cheapest headphones out of these three. When I'm going to talk about the price, I'm going to round up, right? Because the prices are the prices are going to be some cents apart from the price that's on AliExpress. So these headphones, they cost me $12. The one I'm touching right now, Xiaomi, and this one I'm touching now costs me about twice the price of these ones. So this one cost me $26, and the last one, this one, cost me about twice the price of these ones. So this one cost me $51, right? $51. So let's start by looking at the cheapest one. So the cheapest one, the fit and finish is what I would qualify for okay. Okay. I'm not thrilled about the fit and finish of these headphones. And you can see, for example, the foam here. There's almost no foam. And the plastic looks cheap. They in general look really cheap, and they are really badly made. They work. The sound is also meh, but they do work, right? Then if we take a look at these ones, obvious, and you can see that the quality is already way better than the first one. Like the foam, you have more foam here, and the fit and finish is really good. It's also made of plastic, but they don't look cheap compared to this one. Everything is well made with this one. And the last one, quality is even better. Like this foam, the touch is really soft, like really soft. It's really, these headphones, they're really nice to touch. Like when you touch this foam, it feels really good in your hand when you touch them. And again, the fit and finish is really good, really good. And these ones, they sound great. This one do sound great as well. This one, not so much. So now, this one, they do get really loud, but the quality is not on par. So they get mushy. This one, in the other hand, do not get that loud. They tend to cap at a certain loudness, but the quality is still good. The sound quality is still good, even though they do not get that loud. And they're really simply made. You have a on and off button here, and then you have the charging port, USB-C, and you have a jack here, where for the cases where your headphones runs out of battery. And here you have the button for volume up, volume down, and play and pause. So these headphones, I've been using them for in the gym for training. When I go to the gym to train, these are the headphones I've been using, and they're really good for that. I mean, I will pay this much to use these headphones for the gym, because it's not that expensive. They're not that expensive, and they work well. This one, not so much. This one, I haven't been using them for the gym, just because they feel more like a premium, and they look premium as well. And they're also straightforward. You do have a power on button here, volume rocker up, down and up, and then you have a USB-C charger, and then you have a jack port as well for your wired cable when you're in the cases where you run out of battery. And this one has a last thing. They do have ANC, but the ANC is not that good. Kind of, the ANC works, but it's not the best ANC. But I mean, I'm not expecting a top of the line ANC with the price I gave for these headphones. But the ANC kind of work, but it's not a strong ANC. Other than that, they're really good as well. Very, very good. And these headphones, they do get loud. They get louder than these ones, without distorting the sound. This one, when they get loud, they just distort the sound, and this one do not get that loud, so the sound never gets distorted. This one they get a little bit louder than these two, and as you can see, they are the same brand, right? This is called Jeff Bezos, no, Bezos, however you pronounce it. It's the same brand as this one. It's the same brand. So these are just the cheaper version compared to this. So the price is good, and battery life is also good. Battery life is good, both on this one and this one. Right. This one I didn't even bother to test the battery life, because I was disappointed with them. Really disappointed. I just connected them to the phone to find out if they work, but I was really disappointed with them. So that's why I didn't even bother to test how long the battery lasts and all that. So the verdict on these ones, I'm gonna need help from someone to tell me the verdict of this one. But I really feel like they are. This is
a bullshit.
Right on. So this is a waste of money. So I would not recommend this one. I wouldn't recommend this one. Don't waste your money on this one. If you have $12 to waste, save a little bit more and get this one instead. Get this one instead for $26. Save your money and get this one instead. You're gonna be happy with these ones. They're good. They don't get as loud. They don't get that loud, but they're good and they're fine. And I mean, I'm gonna put this one on the side because rubbish. Don't waste your money on these. These two, you could have a look at them. I'm not disappointed about these two. I'm really happy about these two. They're really good. Initially, I was looking for headphones for the gym because usually I use earphones, you know, those wireless earphones. But I don't know, the way my ear canals are formed, when I'm sweating, they always fall off, right? And then some of them have some of the cheapest one, because I haven't been buying the most expensive wireless earbuds. So I've been buying the cheap one to go to the gym with, but the connection wasn't as strong either. But with this one, strong connection, you never lose the connection, and they stay on your head. At least they stay in my head, and because they're not that expensive, I wouldn't mind using this. Now I don't know how long they're gonna last, but I wouldn't mind using this for maybe a year, and then buying a new pair when these are done, right? So that's why I bought both of them for that purpose. But then this one, figure out this one looks a little bit nicer, and I like the design, and they're soft to the touch. So I haven't been taking this one to the gym. I've just been using them when I'm commuting, which I don't need because that's not why I bought them. But this one for the gym, really good. This one will also be good for the gym. Another thing you should know is that these one are a little bit heavier than this one. They're a little bit heavier, but you can't compare them to these ones, right? These are the Sony. You can see I've been using them for some time now. These are the MX. I think this is the third one. It's not the fourth because I didn't buy. These are the third one, but they do cost way more. They do cost way more, and the sound quality is way better. You can't compare them to this. This one, when I bought them, they cost me was $350, right? And this one are about $50. You can see the price difference, right? But to be honest, I didn't buy them at $350. I waited when the newer version came out, the M4, 1000X M4. Then I bought this one, and I bought this one at $200, so $150 less. So for $200, you can compare them with this one. There's no match, right? The NC is top quality. The sound is top quality. You know, they're Sonys. So, but I don't want to use them. I don't want to bring them in the gym because there's no reason for me bringing them in the gym. But when I travel, this is what I use usually when I travel. So you can compare them to these ones. These ones are good for the price. This one are even better for the price. But if you can't afford this one, these two are no problem. So that's everything I wanted to say about these 3 headphones. You can I bought them on AliExpress. I don't know if I've mentioned it, but if you watched the previous video, you would know that I bought them from AliExpress. So I bought all of these from AliExpress. You can have a look yourself and decide if you want to buy them or not. But this was just to inform you what I think about them. And since I've been using them for some time now, I can give my opinion on what I think about all these 3 headphones. This one, rubbish, waste of money. Don't buy them. These 2, if you are short on cash, these 2 are not bad at all. Not bad. Alright guys, we are at the end of the video. Alright Panda Mate Squad, you've made it this far, and I appreciate you for sticking with me to the very end. Huge thanks. If you enjoyed the video, smash that thumbs up. Got questions or critics? Drop them in the comment below. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell. Until next time, keep it real, and I'll catch you in the next one.